Hello and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Shillong Law College Women's Cell raises awareness through drama. Minister Paul Lyngdoh enjoys Police Bazaar's vibrant atmosphere. BSF Meghalaya foils cattle and sugar smuggling attempts, apprehends 4 Indian nationals. And forest fire threatens homes in Upper Shillong. Residents seek aid. And now the news in detail. The Shillong Law College Women's Cell, under the auspices of the Internal Quality Assessment Committee IQAC, orchestrated a poignant short drama on April 30th aimed at spotlighting women's abuse. Held at Dhankiti, Shillong, students fervently participated in the portrayal. Dr. Wanrishisha Dakhar, the Women's Cell convener, and Dr. Brina Lini Kharshieng, Vice Principal, emphasized the legal protection available to abuse victims, crucial for fostering peace and harmony. This impactful performance resonated with the audience, igniting a collective resolve against women's abuse. They underscored the imperative for equal safeguarding of all residents by the law, advocating for stringent punishment for perpetrators.
We organize a program we celebrate Diamond Jubilee, Celebration Jubilee in September. Tingi semua pemba ngakam convener from Women's Cell. Tingi semua bangi joy awareness program na Khubor. Di tapring hawa bangai awareness ban kibun mentam ni Peit kedua sexual harassment in workplace, nang tapre cybercrime kedua di domestic violence di kerja mah di imlang salang tu jong. Di nak takadang ni students jong ni dah kena ke awareness program bagi beriru kinyo ke information ka cingtep ka bakham bnia tumno syai bikin net. Di kalong ke badan kam kini di kam social media haki spread videos nampak pictures di nata kadau ki hapan ai awareness ya ki public kom haki ki ya ke surau no ki singkin ki ya ki surau kin yo kita ka awareness ki dating kim tips i bikin net kim yo kata ka jing champagne na ibek ke kan di ka kidan kum kita ki an ki banya daya ki di na women's cell kata kadau ni organize ki awareness program. Kidon mo kept legal awareness. Kidon ba kinitip siya ibigin file mo kita ki cases ki complaints ting ki smo kumba ki kileran ting mo banwan siya kamat di hadin kanu ko banay show de kisnem rukiwan ban approach mo ki authorities kum ki police magistrate to di nakataka daw ki ka support kanya ki ibigin file sometimes ka ki report na ki ban file complete di nakataka daw long awareness ro ko badan kamha ya ki kena amenta kam ki kena ki kentei barang samla kadno ki sha abuse mo idan ki rape cases di nakata daw ki kumi ai ni ko awareness program ka ai lat ki ba sha ibekin le bekinum shaptien ke ki wan shakmat namar ba kanang ba kin te lakam ki kambe bamban ki kambe an.
On April 30th, Minister of Tourism Paul Lyngdoh delighted in tasting ripe strawberries along Khandailat Police Bazaar in Shillong. He expressed contentment witnessing local musicians entertaining passers-by, adding to the festive ambience. Speaking to the media, Lyngdoh praised Police Bazaar for its significant allure to tourists, emphasizing its role in enhancing Shillong's charm. The bustling marketplace, adorned with local flavors and cultural performances, leaves a lasting impression on visitors, contributing to the city's vibrant tourism landscape.
Jing one jonga mentara segi ni kalau ban penslur bat hai mensiam ya ki nong rep ki jongi namar ade hasin ke ba nikong ba ka tanat tourism dala ban penlong ya ke strawberry festival dang apeo minchwa no ron sentung bat hasolia ini kisnong hakabaki nong rep la rep yo hirap yo strawberry Di hadin jong katuga festival kalau ngilap pelong kita Shillong mentang ngilap semua senjam kebar pelong ngi pelong ya kani ka yo strawberry market kajik temu kalau ngin kering ya ki nong jungo syakani ke jala batru iki try jala bagi tip kadon kalat gelenti bagi nong rep jangi kin im kin bit kin biang ling ba kadam karyang la kajing tray rekat bring ke department jong tourism bat ka horticulture ka ba ar ka tau ka ba ngawan hang ni kalong ban jungo dalade ya kani ka rensan ka ba pi hang ni ka ba ki ni ki nong ishim benta ki nong roai na kani ka Meghalaya grassroots music project jong ka tourism department kiok bani benta but hakani ka season 2 kani ka samai ka ar jong MGMP kumba lai hajar tam norway ki benta man ka ski ki shows Shillong Jeng Hills Garo Hills Sora Riboy te mentapat ni kani ka snow pat kani ka jingtu ka jongi pakani ka handaila nangni ter shalu sha lat berpai sha soksen bat kumju bat pai sha jail road ini ki jaka kinlong no ba ni ong ka pedestrian zone lani ka jaka batang ni bri ba ya ija ingin khang no ka jing room jogi kali jong ni ka than ya ka bang ala depan menah mensyua di kuat banyak cepat Jakarta bat ngawat baik kalau dia bunyi kat no kini ke Jakarta kalau dapat bit yang kalau suitable nang dak kini ke Jungi dia kini ke namdai tang benta kini ke way ke festival dan rai kedai baik nak benta ba umbangi ong ba Shillong kedai ke music capital jong dari India di kuat ban kena ba kibru masan pai Shillong kibobon lagi kipai shwa ningkong ini kendala can you experience ya karwai ke siau music jong ki artist ki badan sap ki jongi dia kata ke idea but hakajing dei pada but kini kinong di madan ngi ladap ya ka proses ban identify ki ban register ki ban menta ka basa kalong sapa ngin ai ki caka ba kinchong ban punya ka khai ka
BSF Meghalaya, in a relentless effort to combat illegal activities along the Indo-Bangladesh border, thwarted smuggling attempts on April 29, 2024. Vigilant troops rescued 28 cattle and apprehended 4 Indian nationals from the international border of southwest Khasi Hills. Acting on specific information, troops intercepted 2 Bolero pickups transporting the cattle as the drivers failed to produce valid documents. Additionally, in a coordinated operation with Meghalaya Police, BSF seized over 16,000 kg of sugar intended for smuggling into Bangladesh from the international border of South Garo Hills. The sugar was discovered hidden in an abandoned house in the jungle area near the border. Both the apprehended individuals and seized contraband were handed over to the respective authorities for further legal action, highlighting the collaborative efforts to maintain border security and curb illicit activities. On April 30th at 11 a.m., a perilous forest fire erupted in Saumer Shiteng, Upper Shillong, fueled by heavy winds plaguing the region. Residents expressed deep concern as the flames encroached dangerously close to their homes, igniting anxiety throughout the community. Witnessing one toilet reduced to ashes heightened fears of further destruction. Prompt action was taken as villagers urgently summoned fire and emergency services to contain the blaze. The incident underscores the urgent need for heightened vigilance and preventive measures amidst the current environmental challenges.
Đây bạch thana và đằng long am. Cái lấy no baje ka Tuh, padahal kamu. Tuh. Padahal. Awan ni, pani los hoga. Cek maro jaga me tahu ni.
Ni langsung lantayan, video iba ka urut pedang tinta. Ada ngawan pet itu cenderung pai di dunia. Ada ngapet iba kala pedang ke ngawan mare sendiri ngawan mare kala pai geding ne nang pai tang ne. Saya pertama kala macam ni dah.
Buat kapan tanah di pipin apa lengkap?
Benar kam. Bahan dia menjudan besar kan. Siawan pak neng teng dewan san lantai nomor baik terasa penting tu. Pak neng teng tetap mengaruh menengah. Siwan pai kudu dah wan pai wan ba. Shillong ko ba ni.
Kamu tadi kawan ingkong ni pi.
Kawan ingkong ni.
Kamu dah dia kaying lentang lah ing nak kemana?
Oh, dari dah kaying lentang kamu kala ing lentang. Apa la poi hadu ni pi. Ding. Dah yang menengah yang tang tu kala asik kepiat ding tu.
Di pun ma pi kinok ding na kemana?
Oh, kidan bayar phone te ngaruh ngapa phone ingkong tu cuma. Phone dia phone yang pai sini.
Dun ba thang na kemana kan ding pi.
Nang bang tiba namar si Shillong yo le se kidan ki bayar pen kuit. Namar ka dan lum jentat tu mastia. Te yo di bagi ya pen kuit lum tu te ka organ sa bagal air ka jor munde te yo.
On April 29, 2024, a significant sector commander level coordination meeting between the Border Security Force BSF and the Border Guard Bangladesh BGP took place at BOP Gumagat in southwest Khasi Hills. Led by Shri Manoj Kumar Barnwal, DIG of Sector HQ BSF Shillong, and MD Saiful Islam Chaudhary, Deputy Director General and Sector Commander of BGB Sylhet, Bangladesh, the delegations engaged in discussions covering various border-related issues, including the Coordinated Border Management Plan. Both sides expressed satisfaction with the fruitful and amicable discussions, underscoring the robust bilateral relations. The commitment to expedite the implementation of decisions reflects the mutual resolve to enhance border cooperation and security. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.